unboxing the 7-inch video door phone. This is how it looks like. This is the model. This is the model. Get it clearly. So comes with all these wires if you want to use it for access controlling. Then enter inside. You have a power adapter. This is the power adapter it comes with. And then you have the door station, or the ones you put at the gate. Sleek. Like this, the gate with the camera, and then the speaker. You can hear what is going. This is a button, and then this is the screen itself that you put inside the house. This is the screen, 7-inch. So with this, can open the gate or the door from inside and all that. And this is how the back looks like. Then the other thing that they give you, since it is a digital and analog one, you have a cable, it's already pre-made, factory made, that comes with it, and the mounting bracket to help you mount it on the wall. Yeah.